Canva Pro Unlocked, your ultimate guide. Free trial plus secret hacks. Hey there, design enthusiasts, content creators, and small business superheroes. Are you ready to supercharge your visual content and take your designs from meh to mind-blowing? You're in the right place. If you've ever felt limited by the free version of Canva, or wished you could access those premium templates, fonts, and magical features, then get ready. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Canva Pro. We're not just talking about what it is, we're showing you exactly how to unlock its full power. And yes, we're going to explore some clever ways to experience Canva Pro without breaking the bank. This isn't just another tutorial. It's your ultimate guide to transforming your design workflow. We're going to solve that nagging problem of limited features and watermarks, giving you the keys to a design kingdom you didn't know existed. Get ready to elevate your brand, boost your skills, and generate some serious buzz with stunning visuals. Let's be honest, the free version of Canva is amazing for getting started. It's a fantastic tool for beginners and a great entry point into graphic design. But if you've been using it for a while, you've probably hit some walls. You've seen those gorgeous templates, only to find they're pro only. You've tried to remove a background, only to realize that Magic Wand is behind a paywall. And don't even get me started on those pesky watermarks that pop up on premium elements. It's frustrating, right? These limitations can really stifle your creativity and make your designs look less professional. They force you to compromise, to settle for less than your best. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass these roadblocks and unleash your full creative potential? Imagine effortlessly removing backgrounds, resizing designs for any platform with a single click, and accessing millions of premium stock photos and videos. Imagine having a brand kit with your exact colors, fonts, and logos ready to go. That's the power of Canva Pro, and it's within your reach. All right, let's get straight to the most straightforward way to experience Canva Pro, the free trial. This is your golden ticket to explore everything Pro has to offer, completely risk-free. It's designed to give you a taste of the premium experience, and trust me, once you try it, you won't want to go back. To start, simply head over to canva.com. Look for the prominent Try Canva Pro Free button. It's usually right there on the homepage, impossible to miss. Click on that, and you'll be guided through a super simple sign-up process. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Then, Canva will ask for your payment details. Now don't panic. This is standard procedure for free trials. They need it on file so that if you decide to continue after the trial period, the transition is seamless. But here's the crucial part. You won't be charged a single cent during your trial period. Canva is very clear about this. Just make sure you understand the trial length, which is typically 30 days, so you can make an informed decision before it ends. Follow the prompts, confirm your details, and boom! You're officially a Canva Pro user for the next month. Now that you've unlocked Canva Pro, it's time to put it to work. Don't just let that trial period go to waste. This is your chance to explore every single premium feature and see how they can revolutionize your design process. Let's dive into some of the absolute game changers. First up, the background remover. This feature alone is worth the price of admission. No more fiddling with complex selection tools and other software. With Canva Pro, you can remove the background from any image with a single click. It's perfect for product mockups, professional headshots, or creating transparent logos. Imagine the time you'll save. Next, let's talk about Magic Resize. This is a lifesaver for anyone creating content across multiple platforms. Design a stunning Instagram post, then with one click, instantly resize it for Facebook, Pinterest, or even a YouTube thumbnail. No more manually adjusting elements or starting from scratch. It's pure magic for content creators. Then there are the premium templates and elements. The free version offers a good selection, but Pro opens up a universe of professionally designed templates for every conceivable purpose. From presentations and social media graphics to marketing materials and video intros, you'll find exactly what you need. Plus, access millions of premium stock photos, videos, audio tracks, and graphic elements without any watermarks. Your designs will instantly look more polished and unique. Don't forget the brand kit. This feature allows you to upload your brand logos, set your brand colors, and choose your brand fonts. This ensures consistency across all your designs, saving you countless hours and making sure your brand identity is always on point. It's essential for small businesses and anyone serious about their brand presence. And for those who love organization, Content Planner is a dream come true. Plan, schedule, and publish your social media content directly from Canva. It integrates with popular platforms, streamlining your workflow and ensuring you never miss a posting deadline. It's like having a social media manager built right into your design tool. Finally, explore the version history. Ever made a mistake and wished you could go back to an earlier version of your design? With Pro, you can. Canva saves your design history, allowing you to revert to previous iterations with ease. It's a safety net for your creative process. So, during your free trial, experiment with all these features. Create a few designs using the background remover. Try resizing a graphic, and explore the vast library of premium assets. See how much faster and more professional your work becomes. What's your favorite Canva Pro feature so far? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear what truly transforms your workflow. Okay, so you've experienced the magic of Canva Pro, and now you're hooked. The trial period is nearing its end, and you're wondering how to keep that pro power without a continuous subscription. While the most straightforward way to support Canva and enjoy uninterrupted access is to subscribe, there are a few smart strategies and programs you should know about. First, let's talk about the Canva for Education program. If you're a student, teacher, or part of an educational institution, you might qualify for a free Canva Pro account. Canva offers this incredible resource to empower learning and creativity in schools and universities. Check their official website for eligibility requirements and how to apply. It's a fantastic opportunity to get full pro access at no cost if you fit the criteria. Next up is Canva for nonprofits. Just like with education, Canva is incredibly generous with registered nonprofit organizations. If you run or work for a charity or nonprofit, you can apply for a free Canva Pro account. This allows organizations to create stunning marketing materials, social media campaigns, and fundraising assets without adding to their operational costs. It's a huge benefit for causes doing good in the world. Now, for a more general strategy, consider the annual subscription. While the monthly subscription is convenient, opting for an annual plan often comes with a significant discount. If you know you'll be using Canva Pro consistently throughout the year, paying annually can save you a substantial amount of money in the long run. It's a practical financial decision for dedicated users. Another approach, especially for teams or small businesses, is to share a team account. Canva Pro allows you to add team members to your account. If you collaborate with others, splitting the cost of a single Pro subscription among a small team can make it incredibly affordable for everyone. Each team member gets full Pro access, and you all benefit from shared designs and brand kits. It's a smart way to leverage the power of Pro collectively. And finally, a word on strategic trial management. While Canva's terms of service are clear about one free trial per user, some users have explored using different email addresses for subsequent trials if they need a short-term boost for a specific project. However, always be mindful of and respect Canva's terms of service. The best long-term solution is always a legitimate subscription or qualifying for one of their free programs. These strategies offer various pathways to keep enjoying Canva Pro. Whether you qualify for a free program, opt for a cost-effective annual plan, or share with a team, there are options to ensure your design workflow remains powerful and efficient. Beyond just getting Canva Pro, let's talk about how to truly integrate it into your workflow and become a design powerhouse. These tips will help you maximize your efficiency and creativity. First, master the magic shortcuts. Canva has a ton of keyboard shortcuts that can dramatically speed up your design process. For example, pressing. T instantly adds a text box. R adds a rectangle. And C adds a circle. Learn a few of these, and you'll be designing at lightning speed. Next, leverage Canva's content planner to its fullest. Don't just design your social media posts. Schedule them directly from Canva. This streamlines your entire content creation process, from ideation to publication. It's a massive time saver for consistent content delivery. Explore Canva's apps and integrations. Canva isn't just a standalone tool. It integrates with many other platforms. Connect your Google Drive, Dropbox, or even social media accounts for seamless asset management and direct publishing. Look into apps like Pexels and Pixabay for even more free stock photos directly within Canva. Utilize Canva's brand kit religiously. Once you've set up your brand colors, fonts, and logos, make it a habit to use them for every design. This ensures brand consistency across all your visual content, which is crucial for building brand recognition and trust. Don't underestimate the power of Canva's folders. As your design library grows, organization becomes key. Create folders for different projects, clients, or content types. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easy to find specific designs when you need them. Experiment with Canva's effects and filters. Beyond basic adjustments, Canva offers a wide range of photo effects, filters, and even AI-powered tools like smart mockups. Play around with these to add a professional touch and unique flair to your images. And finally, always duplicate before editing. If you're working on a design that you might want to tweak or use as a base for something new, always duplicate it first. This preserves your original work and gives you the freedom to experiment without fear of losing progress. These advanced tips and workflow hacks will transform you from a casual Canva user into a design pro. The more you explore and integrate these features, the more efficient and impactful your designs will become. So why does all this matter? Why go through the effort of unlocking Canva Pro and mastering its features? Because professional design has a profound impact on your brand, your business, and your ability to connect with your audience. In today's visually driven world, first impressions are everything. High-quality, consistent, and engaging visuals instantly convey professionalism and credibility. They tell your audience that you take your work seriously, that you pay attention to detail, and that you're committed to delivering excellence. For content creators, stunning visuals mean more engagement, more shares, and ultimately, more reach. A captivating thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past. A beautifully designed social media post can stop the scroll and spark a conversation. For small businesses, professional design builds trust and reinforces your brand identity. It helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace, making your products and services more appealing. From your logo to your marketing materials, every visual touchpoint contributes to how your brand is perceived. For beginners and design enthusiasts, mastering Canva Pro means unlocking new creative possibilities. It empowers you to bring your ideas to life with ease and confidence. It's a skill that will serve you well, whether you're designing for personal projects, a side hustle, or a full-time career. Ultimately, investing in your design capabilities, whether through a pro subscription or by leveraging free programs, is an investment in your success. It's about creating visuals that not only look good, but also perform well, driving engagement, building brand awareness, and generating leads. You've just unlocked the ultimate guide to Canva Pro. From getting your free trial to maximizing its incredible features, and even exploring smart ways to keep that pro power. We've covered how to transform your designs, streamline your workflow, and make a real impact with your visuals. Remember, Canva Pro isn't just a tool, it's an empowerment. It gives you the ability to create professional-grade designs without needing years of graphic design experience. It levels the playing field, allowing anyone to produce stunning visuals that capture attention and convey their message effectively. So what are you waiting for? If you haven't already, head over to canva.com and start your free pro trial today. Dive in, experiment, and see for yourself how these features can revolutionize your creative process. Don't let limited features hold you back any longer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who can benefit from these tips. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with more design hacks, content creation strategies, and tech tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Share this video with anyone you know who's struggling with their designs or wants to take their visual content to the next level. Let's spread the word and empower more creators. And as always, drop your questions and your favorite Canva Pro features in the comments below. I love hearing from you and building this amazing community. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Go out there and create something amazing.